this is my office. I stay in this office for the last 6 years. I never change office. I just changed the decoration inside, then you will see the decoration. Then for me, I manage all the project for all this time. And it was a very nice time. In this office was very good, very well situated, just aside the project. On this wall we can see nearly all the project. The project is too big to fit on one wall. At the scale we can use it. And this scale we have 70% of the project, the other 30% are at the back of this appliance. And here we can see the main part of the landscaping. This white area is the conference center. This is the museum and all the surrounding. Then we can see it's very big, 470,000 square meters of construction. This is the Alexandria Road, the road under construction now for the access to the museum. Richer Garden, very big area for the people to take their lunch out of the food court. Bus park, to park the bus. Solar boat, one day the solar boat will be done but not by us, by others. Land of Egypt, same. Pure sand today, and later on it will become something for kids playing. The piazza, very big piazza, you will see later on. Piazza. And the sculpture garden, an area in which we are going to have a lot of sculpture exposed with triple benches again. The ticketing building, ticketing area in which the people will come to take their ticket and visit the project. After you have others here, but they are on the other wall. Then on this wall we have the bottom of what we saw on the other one. The museum, the remaining part of the ticketing building, temple restaurant, temple garden, the big restaurant, 2 restaurants in fact, pyramid garden, the very big desert land in which my office is situated today. Then we are living somewhere here. All the network. There is a site with more than 50 kilometers of work network buried everywhere. And some building under construction, which is a driver facility. Just start. On the same wall we can see the look of this beautiful Richer garden. People benches, trees, then we are going to install a forest on this project. And we can see at the bottom the piazza with a lot of water feature. This project has more than 30 water features everywhere. This table was my small meeting room for 4, 5, 6 persons. On this picture we can see the project totally in color. Of course this is just to have a look where we are, but it's not useful for me about construction. For the construction, the other two show all the network, all the level, everything. That's much more important for me. And again, we can see the totality of the project. You can see the landscaping is something very, very big. Then we have the desert land, the windbreaker not built yet, bus park, MFPC building, conference center, food court, museum, temple garden, pyramid garden, restaurant, ticketing building, sculpture garden, Saint-Pierre-Christer, the beautiful pyramid wall, under construction today, and the piazza. In the 2 roads we are installing now in front of the museum. One is the shuttle bus for the bus to go in the park, and the other is the service road one. And this you have the entire project on this very big surface. And on the wall in front there, we have the planning. On this wall is the planning, the last one I did for this project. You can see as per the planning, December and January, the activity will be at the end. If you make a zoom, you will see the activity remaining are green activity, meaning pure trees, gravel and so on. Today the project is in this month, May. You can see the quantity of activity is important. June stay important, July and August the same, but starting from September the activity will disappear very fast. Then if people follow this document, at the end of this year the museum is done. We will see.
Okay. Then here we are at the back of the museum. Then in this area we can see all the stuff people will not see a lot. Then we have the bus park which is this very big area there in which the tourists will have their bus parked during the time they do the visit. This is nearly finished. On the top of the bus park we have a big tank, 3,000 cubic, who will feed the project with the water necessary to keep the plant in good health. At the back of us we have this big building, which is the MFPC building. The MFPC building is the area built for the management of the museum. At the back of this we have the conference center and the museum. We can see the museum on the right. In front of us, just against us, is the land of Egypt. This area is delivered by us in pure sand, and later on the client will make some aménagement to have this area nice for the kids mainly, because at the bottom in front of this crane is the children garden. In this direction we have the main office, installed 6 years ago, and should stay many additional years until the entire surrounding is completed. Okay. Then here we are in the middle of the bus park. Then all around you is the bus park. Here we are at the level of the bus park 3. And the bus park is crossed by a stair. At the back is done. At the front is ongoing, under construction. And all this will become garden. Then we are going to have here a lot of shrubs, grass, everything. And all this stuff should totally conceal the block. Then all this yellow block in few years will become totally green and will be not visible anymore for the people. It will become a green area with a bus park in the middle. Here, in this place, is what I say the land of Egypt. After we left the project, the government will install a water feature additional, will install tree stuff to have an area for the kids. Today the area of the kids is concentrated there, and the name of this area is the children garden. And the children garden is connected by a bridge, which is a children bridge. And this bridge drives the people inside an area only for kids. Then the people who make the design imagine a special area to allow the kids to learn Egypt and to play with toys like it was with the old Egyptian. Okay, here we are in front of the museum. Then we are in the middle of the piazza, 21,000 square meters of stone, in which they will install plenty of artifacts. We have a lot of water feature here. And at the back we can see the museum itself. And this area, all this building is the museum. The Kérolite Court, which is a very complex area under construction but should be finished in 2-3 months. At the back, of course, the entrance courtyard we just crossed now. On the right, the conference center, and after the food court. From here you have a full view of the entire museum and all the buildings we have in this area. And there we have the ticketing building, the ticketing area, which is nearly finished. Just remain some appliance to allow people to come here and out with this scanner and so on to avoid people damage this museum. Remain few pieces of site installation, and normally all these site installations should have disappeared for the beginning of July. We are in the museum in the band F. Then you just see now this amazing roof we built here. You can see nothing is straight, everything is inclined, and all the pieces of roof are different. Then meaning everything is custom made, and it's maybe difficult to see on the video, but we have a pattern to follow, and the pattern you will see need to match with the pattern of the suspended ceiling itself. At the back you can see the huge quantity of material we are obliged to install to build now all the ventilation system and all the suspended ceiling. bands are under finishing with the sustainability. And you can see how beautiful is it when it's complete. And you can see on the picture the fact we have all these constraints with the alignment between the pattern of the concrete and the pattern of the steel. You can see on the wall the alignment of the vertical stone with the pattern of the suspended ceilings, and the flooring is aligned the same. In fact, everything is on the same line. It's very complex to be sure when we are doing the ceiling, you have the finishing matching later on. Here we are in the band C, which is the most beautiful place on the entire museum, the most complex place. This gentleman is very busy here building all these beautiful stilettos. Unfortunately, with the scaffolding we cannot see them yet, but they will appear sooner. Roof the same, what we saw just before. The biggest issue is the height. Then it's very high. And it's very complex about execution because everything is difficult to reach. Then here we are in the band A, which is the Tutankhamon Gallery. This area is nearly finished. 95% is done today. Today remain curtain, some lighting fixture, the floor grill, and the exhibition box which should arrive on site in the next 2 months. This you can see is a very big area. And here we are in the band B, which is the second part of the Tutankhamon Gallery. Nearly same finishing the band A, except we have some stiletto inside, which are not complete yet. For the rest of the bank is the same status, nearly completed. And you can see it's very, very nice, very beautiful. Here we are in the entrance courtyard. Ramses is there at my back. And you can see all the entrance with the museum on the left, the conference center on the right. The stone on the conference center are nearly finished and the stone on the museum are ongoing today. Then very big work, very impressive area for the tourists. When they will arrive by the piazza, they will see this amazing place. Here we are in the recreational garden on a very big piazza in stone, 17,000 square meters. At the back we have the food court. We are installing the glass. Inside we are going to install the stone sooner. All this area will be finished before end of this year. And this black wall is in fact the pyramid wall. The black is the back of the stone. At the early beginning they start to install the stone. And you can see we have 3 pyramids of this wall to build. The same, we have 1 pyramid on the food court itself. In front of the MNPC building, the name of this wall is the tail wall, and you can see what will do the final look of the museum everywhere. Then you can see this triangle in limestone we are going to install on the entire surface. The only area when it's not limestone is the area with the glass. And, we are just at the early beginning. This work will have duration of about 1 year from now to be fully completed.